How's it going there, wonderful people of the internet? My name is Nate Lake, and I'm over here at Russ Darrow Madison Jeep. I want to introduce an option for you for buying cars that you may not have heard about before, or maybe it's something you're not used to. As of right now, with everyone being masked up and we're not sure when the quarantine is exactly going to end, we're doing an option that makes it a safer process for you. So instead of coming into the dealership, we're allowing everyone to maintain 6 feet of distance at all times and even a little bit more. So if you're interested in the vehicle, maybe like this beautiful 2013 Rubicon, why don't you reach on out to us over here at Russ Darrow Madison Jeep. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we'll reach out to you and have it come on back to your house for a test drive. I'm actually on my way right now to go see one of my customers, so hopefully I'll be seeing you soon as well. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.